If you've been taking a powder on a daily basis that comes in a little white bottle with a purple cap, stop. Hi, my name is Dr. Anna Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and coming out in news media based on a lawsuit is that this particular powder, which is technically called polyethylene glycol 350, it has a name brand and it's the name brand company being sued, but it comes as generic also, and they almost always have this purple cap or somewhere in the purple range kind of a cap. This is touted as a daily medication over the counter that you can take for constipation. One capful doesn't taste like anything. It's inert. You can put it in any fluid possible. And of course, people kind of like that concept. It's not fiber. Don't confuse it with Benefiber, which is also a supplement that has no taste to it that you can dilute in anything. The Benefiber people put theirs with a green cap. Don't get your powders confused. There's no confusing Metamucil. I mean, people know when they're taking that. This powder has been shown when used on a daily basis to alter the microbiome in children in particular enough that it causes autism spectrum symptoms. So in other words, children who are struggling with constipation, whose parents think they're doing the right thing by giving them this inert substance that you can't taste, it's easy to give the child. Those children are developing personality disorders that look for the world like autism. These personality changes stop when you withdraw that particular over-the-counter constipation medication. So, and I had never heard that, and I would say half of my patients take that. Public service announcement, don't take it on a daily basis. Certainly do not give it to your children on a daily basis. If your children struggle with constipation, have them eat prunes, have them eat kiwi fruit, have them eat dried apricots, drink lots of water. Make sure that everyone in your family has enough magnesium in their diet. And the water and the exercise, the magnesium and the fiber for children in particular can be extremely, extremely effective. Do not do this powder that you mix in a fluid of your choice. White bottle, purple cap, don't do it.